Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor entertainment with the best projector for your backyard movie nights. The projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, 2023 Upgrade 9500L Outdoor Projector. If you're looking to elevate your outdoor movie experience, this projector is an absolute game changer. With its upgraded features and impressive specifications, it's no wonder why it's become a fan favorite. Let's talk about what sets this projector apart from the rest. First off, its convenient Wi-Fi connection makes setup a breeze. No more fumbling with cables or complicated connections. Just connect your devices wirelessly and you're ready to go. But what really makes this projector shine is its brightness and resolution. With an astounding 9,500 lumens and a native resolution of 1280x720p, you'll enjoy stunningly crisp and vivid images, even in outdoor settings. And let's not forget about the added bonus of Bluetooth connectivity. Pair your projector with external speakers for a truly immersive audio experience. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie or hosting a backyard party, the sound quality will blow you away. But the versatility of this projector doesn't stop there. Equipped with HDMI, VGA, AV, USB interfaces, it's compatible with a wide range of devices, from TV boxes to laptops to USB flash drives. The possibilities are endless. Don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the quality and performance of this projector. From its easy setup to its impressive image quality, it's a hit among movie enthusiasts and tech-savvy users alike. So, if you're ready to take your outdoor movie nights to the next level, look no further than the projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, 2023 Upgrade 9500L Outdoor Projector. With its unbeatable features and stellar performance, it's the best investment you can make for your backyard entertainment setup. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy viewing.